Why do you feel that only 30% of family businesses survive and scale up to such a level?
There's a very famous saying which goes by, the first generation builds it, second generation expands the business or scales it up to another level basically, and third generation destroys the business. What happens is the focus, of the third generation. By the time the business is got into the third generation, that means it has survived at least 50 years. Trends have changed. In today's world, the technology with the use of the AI, machine learning, with the way the startups are disrupting the industry as well. No business is, foolproof. So what was started by a first generation and second generation, the time has completely evolved. Right now, the generation gap is narrowing. What used to be 20 years came down to 10 years. Now it's 5 years. Especially after COVID, things are completely changing now. The dynamics have completely evolved. So for the third generation or the next generation to really keep up with the traditional business that was started by their fathers, their uncles and all, is very difficult and very complex to carry forward the legacy. Focusing on the current trends and riding the wave, it's very difficult for you to, scale up and to sustain yourself in the market.